How to register your account on Janitor AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily register for your account on Janitor AI. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Janitor AI, and once you search in you will be redirected to this page. You might as well search for Janitor AI login, and once you are on this screen you just have to enter your email and your password. So let me just enter my details. Simply click on register and it will send you a 6-digit code to your email, so just enter that. So just like that, enter your code and click the submit button and wait for some time for it to verify your code. And from over here what you can do is you can drag your main character from here just like this using your profile picture. So you can do that later as well, and you have to enter your username and your description, your main personal persona, where your persona name is given. You basically have to describe your persona or appearance in under 1 to 2 sentences. So let me just do all of that. So once you hit the update profile button, you have successfully created your account on Janitor AI. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.